door opens, let's say trick or treat to Cakey. Ready? Trick or treat!
Huh. I wonder where Cakey is.
Cakey? Cakey!
Ooh. Gabby, it's a ghost.
Don't worry, guys. It's just me, Cakey.
Phew. You're a friendly ghost.
Cakey, I love your spooky costume.
Thanks. And your costumes are sprinkle-rific. Let's see. Gabby, you must be a rainbow cat. And Pandy, you're a lumpy bull?
Close. I'm a treat monster.
Oh! I should have known that. I have the perfect sweet for a treat monster. Do you want to see it?
A sweet treat? You bet I do.
It's a banana ghost.
That is the yummiest, cutest ghost I've ever seen, Cakey. Besides you, of course.
Thanks, Gabby. And the best part about this treat is you get to make one too. Okay. First, you take half your banana and push a wooden stick into the bottom.
Boop. It's like a banana puppet.
Then you dip your banana into the bowl of vanilla yogurt till it's all covered. It goes dip, dip, dip. Then it goes drip, drip, drip.
I like it. A dip, 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 then drip, drip, drip.
A dip, 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 and a drip, drip, drip.
What's next, Cakey?
It's time to put some eyes on your ghost. Hey, where's my bowl of chocolate chips?
Pandy!
Oops, sorry. I can't help it. I'm a treat monster.
And now take 2 chocolate chip eyes. Boop, boop.
Boop, boop.
Boop, boop. What a perfect Cat-O-Ween treat. Hey, Cakey.
Hey, what?
Hey, Cakey.
Hey, what?
What do you like on Cat-O-Ween?
Ooh, making Cat-O-Ween yummies for your tummy is my favorite thing. Ooh, sprinkle ghosties.
These spooky treats are one of my new favorite things about Cat-O-Ween.
Let the ghost eating begin. Guys, I don't think that's a banana ghost. I think that's a real one.
I got you again! You thought my tail was a real ghost!
You got us again, Cat Rat.
Yeah, that's right. I'm the best Cat-O-Ween trickster around.